Welcome to my part 2 of how DNS works. So after the DNS resolver gets back of apply from the top level domain of .com with the IP address of 2.2.2.2, the DNS resolver will then go to the IP address of the hosting server. Domain name server. Excalidraw.com. And the domain name server will basically holds all the records of Excalidraw.com. And records are like the directions. Directions for particular services that you want to access of this website. So, for example, if you want to use the mail server of this website, it would probably have a different IP address than the server handling all the requests for like interacting with the website. Okay, so the domain server will hold all the records for the different services of Excalidraw.com, and it will give back to the DNS resolver the IP address. Let's just say the hosting server 1.1.1.1. Oh, we had that before. 1.1.1.5. So the DNS resolver will get back the hosting server of this website with the IP address of 1.1.1.5 from the domain name server of Excalidraw.com. And after getting that, it will tell the client the IP address is 1.1.1.5 and store it in its cache. So the next time the client wants to make a request to this website, the DNS resolver can just go to its cache instead of going through all these processes. And so yeah, this is basically a high overview of how DNS works. And I want to give you guys a quick introduction of what are records. And I mentioned records a little bit over here, and I was talking about the domain name server. But right now I want to talk to you guys about a little bit about records, because it's pretty important in DNS. So there are a lot of records in DNS, and each record represents. Let me just search it up. DNS records. So yeah, it's like these. So for example, you have like A, CNAME, MX, and these are all records for of this website, and it's like directions for different services that you want to access. It's not services per se, but it's directions for for example, like a mail MX, a mail server, or it can be like a record or a AAA record, which is like it maps you to the IPv4 address, or it can map you to the IPv6 address. And so records basically just links these different IP addresses to like the mail server, its IPv4 addresses, and I think this let me give you a bigger overview. Wikipedia. Yeah, these are like the full list of DNS records. You guys don't really need to remember these, but just know like the main ones, like the A record, the AAA record, the CNAME record, and like the MX record I said before, the TXT. So yeah, this was a really basic overview of how DNS works and a little bit about records. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.